Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody to today's online class. Student, in my previous video, I have discussed till to question number 9 of exercise 11.4. So student, today in this video, I am going to start from the question number 10 of exercise 11.4. So firstly student, I am writing the question. Question number 10. Question 10 student is saying, in the following figures, in the following figures, find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded portion. Shaded portion. And figure is given student. There is a rectangle. There is a rectangle and like this student. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D. E, this point is E, F, this point is F, and this is distance DC is equal to 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter student, and this is 18 centimeter, and AF is equal to 6 centimeter, and FD is equal to 4 centimeter, and AE is equal to 10 centimeter student, and EB is equal to 8 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is figure number first. So, student, this is the question, and this is shaded portion. This is shaded portion. So, student, read the question. In the following figures, find the area of the shaded portion. We need to find out the area of the shaded portion. So, student, think first, how can we find out the area of the shaded portion? While A, B, C and D is a rectangle. And this shaded portion, this figure is created inside the rectangle. But student, this is not, you are seeing, this is a figure also, this is a figure also. And this figure, this is a triangle. And this area is not shaded. This area is not shaded, and this area is not shaded. So student, how can we find out the area of the shaded portion? How can we find out the area of the shaded portion? So student, if we able to find out the एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल ए बी सी एंड डी। सबसे पहले फर्स्टली अगर मैं सबसे पहले एरिया ए बी सी डी रेक्टेंगल का निकालूं, आफ्टर दिस वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ए एफ ई या ई ए एफ, ई ए एफ, ई ए एफ ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करूं। आफ्टर दिस वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ई बी सी triangle, then we add the area of this triangle and area of this triangle, and we subtract the total sum of the both triangles area in from the area of the rectangle, from the area of the rectangle। दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया अगर मैं इस रेक्टेंगल के एरिया में से निकाल दूं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, तो बचेगा क्या? शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया। वी लेफ्ट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन। सो स्टूडेंट फर्स्टली which information is given in the figure, firstly we note it down, so we are going to solve it। student, length of the rectangle ABCD, length from the figure, like this, from figure first, length of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 centimeter. Distance AE is equal to 10 centimeter and distance EB is equal to 8 centimeter, and AB is the length of the rectangle. So AB is equal to length of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 centimeter is equal to AB, and breadth of the rectangle ABCD is equal to, this is 6 centimeter, AF distance is equal to 6 centimeter and FD is equal to 4 centimeter. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 centimeter. This is AD. This is AD. AD is the breadth of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle ABCD. Now area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. You know how can we find out the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So length is given 18 centimeter into breadth is given 10 centimeter is equal to 180 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle ABCD. Total area, student. In this area, shaded portion and unshaded portion both are included. दोनों इसमें include है. 180 centimeter square. After this, we need to find out the area of triangle AEF. Now, write like this, in triangle EAF, in triangle EAF, EA is equal to 10 centimeter and AF is equal to 6 centimeter, and if AF is the base, base of triangle EAF, then AE will be the height of triangle, EAF, अगर इसको हम बेस मानते हैं ट्रायंगल का, if it is a base, it is 90 degree angle. If it is a base, then height of the triangle is AE. अगर इसको आप बेस मानते हैं तो ये क्या होगा, हाइट होगा. If you are assuming the base AE, then height will be AF as you like. So student, if AE is the base of triangle EAF, then AE will be the height of the triangle EAF. अगर आप उल्टा कहते हैं तो opposite you will write. Then so area of triangle EAF is equal to formula. How can we find out the area of the triangle? 1/2 base into height. Base into height is equal to 1/2. Base is student, you are assuming base AF and AF is equal to 6 centimeter. AF is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 into height is equal to 10. 2 5 ja 10, 6 5 ja 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square is the area of triangle EAF. After this, student, find the area of triangle EBC. In triangle EBC, EB is equal to 8 centimeter. It is given, and BC is equal to 10 centimeter, because this is the breadth of the rectangle. So this is 10, so this is 10, that is 10 centimeter. Now if you are assuming BC base, then EB will be height. If EB is the base, then BC will be height. So as you like. If BC is the base, of triangle EBC, then height क्या होगी? Then height will be EB is equal to 8 centimeter. EB is equal to 8 centimeter. So area of triangle EBC is equal to same formula we use here, base into height. 1/2. Base is, you are assuming base BC, and BC is equal to 10 centimeter into height EB is equal to 8 centimeter. 2 5 ja 10, 5 8 ja 40 centimeter square. 40 centimeter square. Forty centimeter square is the area of this triangle EBC, and 30 centimeter square is the area of triangle EAF. Sorry student, EAF. Now student, मैं क्वेश्चन इरेज कर रहा हूं यहां से, आप देखिए. area of the triangle. Now area of triangle EAF and and area of triangle EBC is equal to 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 centimeter square. 70 centimeter square. सेवेंटी सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इसका एरिया 30 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड इसका एरिया 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग मी स्टूडेंट एरिया ऑफ दिस पोर्शन. इस शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया हमको निकालना है. इसका और इसका पता है और पूरे का हमको पता है. टोटल एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, whole rectangle, area of whole rectangle we know. Area of whole rectangle, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 180 centimeter square. You are seeing here 180 centimeter square. ये पूरा एरिया है रेक्टेंगल का जिसमें दिस टू ट्रायंगल एंड दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल included also. Included. If we subtract this area, the area of these two triangle from this area, from the area of whole rectangle, then we will able to find out the area of the quadrilateral, area of the shaded portion. So, student, above we are writing area of the shaded portion. Therefore, so area of shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle ABCD, area of rectangle ABCD minus area of triangle minus area of triangle EAF plus area of triangle EBC. अब आप देखिए यहां पर एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल EAF एंड EBC इज इक्वल टू 70 सेंटीमीटर. 70 is equal to 110 centimeter square. This is my answer. This is my answer. 110 centimeter square. It is the area. It is the area of the shaded portion. It is the area of the shaded portion. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. Once more, I am going to revise it. Student, this is a figure of rectangle, and inside the rectangle, you are seeing that three figures are made. Two are rectangle and one is quadrilateral. And quadrilateral is shaded. And question is asking me, find the area of the shaded portion. So how can we find out the area of the shaded portion? Firstly, think in your mind. If we are able to find out the area of this triangle and this triangle also, and if we subtract the area of these two rectangles from the area of whole rectangle, then we will get the area of the shaded portion. So यही तो वर्क मैं किया हूं. फर्स्टली वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द होल रेक्टेंगल. पूरे रेक्टेंगल का मैंने एरिया निकाला. ये मैंने निकाला. ये टोटल स्पेस कितना है, कितनी जगह है, टोटल मैंने निकाला, जिसमें ये भी ट्रायंगल है, ये भी ट्रायंगल है और ये भी ट्रायंगल. एंड दिस इज शेडेड पोर्शन. क्वाड्रिलेटरल मींस है. तो मैंने निकाला 180 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. यू आर सीइंग हियर. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. लेंथ इज गिवन 10 plus 8 18. Breadth is given 10 centimeter. So 10 18 into 10 is equal to 180 centimeter square. Now one by one we are finding the area of the each triangle which are not shaded, means this triangle and this triangle. So area of triangle EAF 1 upon 2 base into height, 1 upon 2 base and height. You can assume base of any sides of this triangle. If you are assuming this is base, then will be height, this side will be height. If you are assuming this is base, then this side will be height of the triangle. So 1 upon 2 into base into height, that is 30 centimeter square. It is the area of this triangle is 30 centimeter square. Now in second step, find the area of this triangle, that is 40 centimeter square, 40 centimeter square. Now add the area of these both triangle, that is 70 centimeter square. Area of the triangle EAF and EBC 70 centimeter square. Now at last find the area of the shaded portion. Area of the whole rectangle minus area of the both triangle which are not shaded. I have subtracted 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded portion. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. And this question has two parts, student. Figure number second also is given. So this is very easy, student. I am going to erase this figure and I am making the second figure of this question. Square. Now square is given. Square. And in this square, one triangle is made like this, student. Like this. Like this. Now this triangle is shaded. This triangle is shaded. So we need to find out the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion. So student, this is 10 centimeter. This is square and the side of the one side of the square is 10 centimeter. It means whole sides are 10 centimeter, will be 10 centimeter. Each side will be 10 centimeter. And no, 20 centimeters, 20 is student. This is 20. 20. Side is 20. 20 centimeter. So this side will be 20, this side will be 20 and this side will be 20. And this distance is PQRS. PQRS. And this is 10, this is 10 and this is 10 centimeter. And this will be 20 centimeter, you know. So student, how can we find out? How can we find out the area of the shaded portion? So firstly student, same you will solve this question. Firstly find the area of the square PQRS. Side into side. And side is given 20. 20 into 20, that is 400. You know, 400 centimeter square. Now find this is first triangle, suppose that this is second and this is third. Now find the area of the triangle. First triangle, 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height. If this distance is 10 centimeter given, then this will be 10 also, because whole side length is 20 centimeter. So this will be 10 centimeter. And this is 20, because one side is 20. It means each side will be 20 of the square, because it is a square. So this is 20. If you are assuming this is the base, then this will be height, 1 upon 2 base into height. Find the area of this triangle. Find the area of this triangle like this, as same. Find the area of this triangle and add the area of these three triangles which are not shaded. जो shaded नहीं है वो तीनों triangle का area add कर दीजिए. At last subtract the area of the three triangles from the area of the square, then you will able to find out the area of the shaded portion. Same student, as same you will solve that question, that part. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So part second of this question is homework for you. 10, question number 10, part second is homework for you. ये पार्ट सेकंड पार्ट फर्स्ट की तरह आप करेंगे. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. सो स्टूडेंट, I hope you have understood very well this question. So in my next video I will do question number 11, means I will start from question number 11. So thank you student, thank you very much.